go to Brett Rains. He's live tonight in Fayetteville. And Brett, a tree fell on a car there.
Yeah, Daniel, take a look right here. This big tree kind of totally smashed the front part of this car. Whoever owns this vehicle is not going to be happy in the morning when they wake up to see this damage. Right now we're live in Fayetteville at the intersection of South and East Streets here in Fayetteville. And just a street over we saw a big tree limb that was blocking the street, knocked power out to one house. And now one street over from there, we're seeing this tree that has taken out this poor little car right here. It smashed the windshield, and there's actually a car right in front of it that was also damaged. It appears this tree is dead and wasn't too healthy, but it's still a sizable tree that's caused some damage to these automobiles. And as you can tell right now, it's coming down pretty hard and heavy right now in Fayetteville. We've seen a lot of torrential rains all through the night, and it's raining pretty hard once again. We're live in Fayetteville. Brett Rains, 4029 News.
All right, be careful of that lightning out there too, Brett. Thank you.